Ready to rack 'em up and challenge your friends? Let's dive into how to add friends in 8-ball pool to boost your game through competition and a little friendly rivalry. First, launch 8-ball pool on your mobile device or web browser. Once you're at the main menu, look towards the bottom left corner of the screen. There you will see the friends icon. It looks like two little people standing side by side. Tap it. This will open up a new panel. Here you'll see several options to connect with your friends. You'll find the Add Friends button. Select it, and you'll have different ways of building your 8-ball pool crew. One of the easiest ways is using their Miniclip ID. Ask your friend for their unique Miniclip ID. Type it into the search bar and hit search. Then, once your friend's profile appears, simply tap Add Friend. If your friends are connected to Facebook, you can find and add them through your Facebook account. Tap the Connect with Friends button affiliated with Facebook. The game will then ask permission to access your Facebook friend list. Once you grant permission, it will display a list of your Facebook friends who play 8-ball pool. You can then just hit invite. Finally, you can invite friends by sharing a unique referral link. Tap the Invite Friends button. This will generate a link that you copy and send to your friends via text, email, or any other messaging platform. When they click on the link and install the game, they'll automatically be added to your friend list. And that's it. Now you're all set to challenge your friends, climb the leaderboards, and make those trick shots even sweeter knowing you're playing against familiar faces. Happy potting!